All right, welcome to Skyview Chem Honors Chemistry for Mrs. McKinney and Mrs. Grant, and we are doing our fourth polyatomic ion of the week. You're going to go ahead and find your polyatomic ion sheet, and you'll notice that 3 we've done already, and you're going to notice I put this one in green because I'm pretty excited about that we get to finally do a cation. And I just made it a different color to note that it's a cation. So remember, cations are positive and anions are negative. Cations are going to lose an electron. These anions gain electrons. All of these other ions we're going to learn on this sheet are also anions. So ammonium is our only cation. You don't need to write these down yet. They're going to get to those one at a time in the future weeks. But if you would like to, of course, you can look them up or write them down if you pause this. So you might have heard something like ammonium before. There are things out there in the nitrogen cycle that are related to it, and one of those things is called ammonia. Ammonia, and that's an A, and that's NH3, and that is a neutral molecule. What you're studying is ammonium. So besides this being a cation, it has 4 hydrogens and a charge. You can see that its ending is very important. All right, and so endings are really important. So this is the stuff you buy at the store that stinks. This is one of the ions that is made within that nitrogen cycle. So let's study ammonium here since it's in our Earth cycle for the nitrogen. And your first thing you'll notice is like, hey, on your chart, Mrs. McKinney, you put 1 plus here, and you just put plus here. You can write just plus if the value is 1 in the ion. It's kind of just a little shortcut if you would like to take it. All right. So when we draw the leads for this formula, the Lewis electron dot structures, we're going to put nitrogen in the middle, and we're going to put 4 hydrogens around the outside, and we are going to bond those with 2 electrons showing this stick here. And you're going to notice right away that I am not putting dots around hydrogen. There is a new exciting rule for you. Because hydrogen and helium are found in the first period, they have a small electron cloud, and they can only hold 2 electrons. All the other elements on the periodic table, it's like 116, those elements can hold octets. So you can see nitrogen has an octet, but these heliums are sharing 2, and we're going to leave them right there as they are because they don't need any more than 2. And this whole entire structure loses 1 electron. So it takes on a whole positive charge, excuse me. So this is a cation that lost an electron, and the hydrogens are the first time we get to draw leads without them showing an octet. So far we've only had oxygens around the outside, so that's another difference between the anions and this cation for the ion of the week.